Hey guys, I'm back once again today with yet another video, and today I'll be doing the unboxing video for the NYX Face Awards 2019. I got into top 30. I would like to thank NYX Cosmetics Malaysia for actually choosing me as one of the top 30 this year, and they have actually sent me a bunch of goodies, which is like a whole box of goodies, and I'm about to show you guys what's inside the box. So let's get into it. Yeah, so this is like the box. It's cute. Now let's see what's inside it. First of all, check this out. How cute is this? Okay, now I don't think we need the reflecting light. Yeah. It's like super cute, and I'm gonna open it, and inside it's actually this. There's like 2 pigments and 2 lip gloss. This is one of the lip glosses that is in this box. It's like a very cute peach tone. Let me just demonstrate this on my lips so that you guys can actually see how it looks. Oh, that's like glitter central, man. Oh my god. Check that out. It's like hell yeah, peach gloss with glitter. So that is Sprinkle Town lip gloss, and I don't know what code is this, Confetti Crush. I'm gonna try now. Okay, I'm gonna like wipe this off. Okay, now moving on to the next lip gloss from this box. It's this one. It's also like the same thing called Sprinkle Town, and this is called Sugar Crystal. It's actually pink, so let me actually apply this on my lips and show you guys. It's like pink glitter. Oh wow, just check that out. Whoa. It's like some holographic psychedelic kind of color. This is how it looks like. So that is Sprinkle Town and Sugar Crystal. Next we have these 2 cute pigments, which is Shimmer Down. It's like a champagne tone, and this is also Shimmer Down. Basically it's both Shimmer Down, but I think they have like a color to it. So this is nude and this is mauve pink. So these 2 are pigments, and basically these are the 4 items in this package. Check out my list. And I'm so in love with the packaging. Like, how cute is that? Like, there's like this very sexy curvy thick woman on it, like wood, and there's a cat that's stealing her. How cute is this? It kind of suits the whole theme of like beauty theme going on right now. Okay, next we have this Garnier Micellar, I don't know if I pronounce it right, Micellar Cleansing Water. So they have 3 types, which is for all skin types, for sensitive skin and for acne prone skin. So this is actually makeup removers that are actually super good for skin, which is dermatologically tested. So check it out. How cute is this? Thanks Garnier for these makeup removers. I can't wait to try this out because I actually do makeup a lot on my face, and it's actually cool to actually try these 3 different types to see which fits my skin the best. And then we actually have this NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. it softens fine lines and pores. So this is actually a primer, and it's good to apply before we apply our makeup. Alright, next we have these two NYX Glitter Gold Lip Gloss liquid lipstick. We actually have glitter gold liquid lipstick. So these actually come in shades shimmy and glitter. It's actually like an orangey shade, and this is like a purplish tone. So I'm gonna actually try it on to show you guys. Actually, it's not look orange when it comes out. So let me just apply this on my lips and see how it actually looks. Oh wow. Glitter in it, so that's what makes it very glossy. As you can see, it's like super red. It's an orangey, very deep orange actually. So that is this. Next, I'm going to like wipe this off, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks with this purple one instead. Okay, so wow, so this is like quite a deep purple tone. Let's see how this turns out in my mouth. There you go. It's like a purplish shade. It's very beautiful purple, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to like get this off my lips first before we continue. Okay, I've successfully removed that. That was not easy to remove, and that means it's actually a very good product to actually use for your lips because it's long lasting. Next we have this NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint. This one, I'm going to try it on my face. This is it. Use the product, and you have to just like roll it out like that, and then you just apply a little bit on your fresh look. So actually this really gives like a very natural orange tint to your cheeks, like for daily use. I think it's pretty cool. So I believe they have like a few shades of this, so you guys can get that. Next would be this NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Spray. So this is actually a very good finishing spray. Like NYX is very well known for this finishing spray, but a lot of people are actually addicted to this. So you guys can actually get this to use it as a good finishing spray once you've already completed your makeup. Next we have this NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipstick. demonstrate this as well for you guys. You know, my lip has just gone through a lot of damage with a lot of removal and applying and removal and applying. But you know, this one's for you guys. That's it. So this is actually a purplish shade, like that's cute. It kind of goes with the whole theme that I'm dealing with right now. I'm just gonna apply this. Wow. The amazing thing about NYX products are actually they're very highly pigmented, so you can see like I just applied one layer and it's already like fully covered, so that is actually like amazing. Next, suede. So you guys can get this range. I think it's pretty good, the application, and the texture is actually also very good. It's very soft and smooth. So I'm just gonna be right back to remove the lipstick as well. Finally, last but not least, we have this is like one of my favorite, like it's called the Machinist, I don't know how to pronounce it, Machinist, yeah, that's the, and we have all these shades of eyeshadows in it. Like how cool are the colors? So I'm just gonna like open this and show you guys like the colors that are actually. So this is how the casing actually looks. It's like, it's so pretty, it's very beautifully done. It's called Ignite, and when we open it up, so you guys can see these are the colors. It's like very beautiful earth tones. They have like shades of bronze and grey and brown and like brick red and so on. So those are the colors. So that's about it for today's unboxing video. I'd like to thank NYX Cosmetics Malaysia and all of our other sponsors for actually sponsoring us for this contest, and I'm excited to actually come up with my next video for the top 15. So I hope you guys are excited. The theme is Jungle Fever, so there's a lot of ideas in mind and I'm super excited to get working on it. So I've attached the links below to my Instagram and my YouTube account. So for those of you who have been following me all this while, thank you so much. For those of you who are new who are just watching this video, I hope you guys follow me and show your support as well. We'll be having like voting for the next video, which is for the top 15, and the theme is Jungle Fever, so I'm super excited and I've come up with a great idea and I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to cast your votes. I'll be sharing it on all my social media platforms. So till the next video, see you guys, love you, bye bye.